Hi, my healthy friends. This is a very delicious mushroom bruschetta. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my channel, and let's start it. Let's see what you need. We need 2 to 3 teaspoons of olive oil, extra virgin. Five to 6 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt. Half of green capsicum. Fry this for about 5 minutes. Until you have the garlic a little bit browny, you can add the mushrooms. I will recommend to get the mushroom in slices, 500 grams. Mix very well, keep cooking, and then add the spring onions. You need just roughly 3 or 4 spring onions. You are going to keep cooking until your mushrooms are really well cooked, and also the water excess is going to be evaporated. We don't want the mushroom too watery, but we don't want them too dry either. So just keep an eye, keep stirring, and looking after your mushroom don't get burned. They're just getting perfect for me, so we're almost done. Can you see? If you see the bottom of the fry pan is almost dry, this is an indication the mushrooms are ready. Okay, now you can transfer into a plate. You can serve with rice, with salad, or let's see with the bruschetta bread. Let's get any kind of bread. I would prefer the wholemeal. I made myself this one. You can just place some tomatoes or even avocado, lettuce, whatever you like it. And then you can have the mushrooms on top. As an option, you can decorate with chili and parsley, finely chopped. Mix very well. And as an extra addition, I have almond and linseed powder that you can try it on. And this is our final touch, adding a very nice flavor to your bruschetta. I hope you like it, and if you have done it, share your comments on this channel. See you next time.